Okay guys, welcome back to SMG Web3. So in this video, I'll be continuing from where we stopped concerning the key mining. So I'll be showing you how to go about the mining stuff and how not to have problem after now. So when you get to this screen, as I said before, you just click on this place. This mining in progress means my mining is reading for the next 24 hours. You can see the timer here. The timer is remaining 22 hours 55 minutes. So once you click start, it will start mining for 24 hours, and you will know that it's mining as far as you are seeing mining in progress. So the next thing you do is on this top left side of your screen, you click this thing to open your home button. Okay, so your profile. So click on this screen to open your profile. It looks like this. So the next thing that you need to do is click on your key verification. Okay, click on it. Now when you click on it, your email is here like this. So the next thing you do is click on send verification. All right, so when you receive the message, when you click on send verification, you will receive a message on your email address. So go to your email, copy that code that you receive from key, and then paste it here on this verification code. Just watch how I do it. Click on verification. So input your key password. Okay, I already have mine saved, so confirm it. So they said successfully sent email, so I'm going to receive email for my verification code now. Okay, as you can see, I just received an email. So the verification is like this. So I will just input it. Okay, 0 R8Y. Okay, so this is just how to do it. So this is the code. I will now confirm it. Please enter the correct verification code. Okay, I think I made a mistake. So let me go back and check if I made a mistake. Okay. Okay, so this is the code. I will just copy it now. Let me copy it directly. Okay. Okay, so I'll then paste it. Oh wow. Alright, click confirm. Okay, so my email has been verified. So this is how to verify your email. So the next options will be opened later. I think this option is standing for KYC. So this is one of the first things you need to do, verify your address. So from this